6 o'clock. I think it's like 5:48. I'm standing in my bedroom right now. I've been up since about 4, I think, because I had to take my boyfriend to work. He said that he might be coming home because it is raining. I can tell that it's about to rain because I have this weird thing where when it's about to rain, my knees start hurting, and today my knees are hurting really bad, and it's really cloudy outside. And the forecast says it's supposed to rain. It was thundering and lightning when we were driving this morning, so yeah. Right now I'm about to go take a shower. I'm gonna kind of take you on my morning routine this morning. I'm kind of being quiet because my roommate's sleeping, like right in the next room. But I'm gonna go take a shower, and then I think I'm just gonna get ready for the day, and then hopefully if my boyfriend does come back home, he said he might, so if he comes back home, hopefully he doesn't call me while I'm in the shower. But yeah, so let's go on my morning routine. So the first thing I do every morning is I take a shower. Alright, hey guys, so it's 6:15. My knee is still hurting pretty bad, so I put some, sorry, my closet's a mess, so I put some KT tape on it. I've injured both of my knees twice, so sometimes I wake up with pain. It could be due to the rain, but this morning it's just really achy, so I taped up one of them. The other one seems to be fine, so I'm not going to worry about that, but this one is really achy this morning, so I taped it up with my KT tape. And yeah, fun fact, today I used black, but right now I have black and pink, but when I was a cheerleader I had like every color of KT tape that you could find. I had like blue, I had pink, I had black, I think I had white at some point. Like I had every color of KT tape you could find. So, but now I just use black because it kind of just, I don't know, it just looks better than using pink or anything. So I'm almost ready for the day. I just gotta go brush my teeth and do my hair, and then I'm probably just gonna chill for a little bit. I gotta go take my vitamins, and I gotta go eat something for breakfast. I've already had a coffee this morning. My boyfriend got me Dunkin' Donuts. Not really Dunkin' Donuts, he got me a Dunkin' Donuts thing from the gas station. But so yeah, I'm gonna go get breakfast, take my vitamins, brush my teeth, do my hair, and then I don't know, he hasn't called me yet, so I'm guessing he went to work. It looks like it's a little brighter outside right now, but I'm not sure. So if I get that call, I'll go pick him up, but if I don't, I don't. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so I did my hair. I just scrunched it a little bit. It's a little bit of gel, it's still drying. I cleaned my room a little bit, and then I just started a load of laundry, but I forgot that it's not 8 o'clock yet. So I hope I don't get a noise complaint because we're not supposed to do laundry until 8 o'clock. But I'm just cleaning up my room. There's like stuff everywhere, so I'm just going to clean that up real quick. And then I'm probably just gonna watch a movie or something. There's really not a lot to do. I have to clean my room and my kitchen today, so I might do a time lapse of me cleaning my room right now because I think that'd be fun. So let's get started. Hey guys, so it's 8:20 now. I've gotten everything done. I got the kitchen clean, I got the living room clean, the dining room clean. I put my laundry in the dryer and my bedroom's clean. The bathroom is the only thing that's not clean, and there's another thing in the kitchen that needs to be cleaned, but those are both things that the boys need to do. Somebody has the bathroom chore today. I think it's my boyfriend has the bathroom chore today, and then garbage has to go out, so that will also be one of the boys. And then my boyfriend left a mess in the kitchen, so he gets to clean that up because I don't clean up messes that are not mine. It's a big mess too, so if it was a small mess, I'd probably just clean it up, but it's a big mess. So yeah, everything's clean, everything's done. My hair is a frizzy mess right now. I frankly don't care, but everything's done, and it's only like 8:20 like I said, so I'm just gonna chill and relax. I have to go pick up my boyfriend at 3. It is sunny now, so I'm guessing he's going to work all day, so I'll still be waiting for that call, but I'm just gonna chill at home for a little bit, and then I'll probably watch a movie or do something today because I don't want to just chill and watch YouTube all day. But I'll probably do something. I'll probably fold laundry at some point as well, because there's a basket of laundry in our bedroom that needs to be folded and put away, and there's also the load going, so we'll see. But I'll see you guys later. Alright, so I have a jacket on because I'm going to go pick up my boyfriend. It's 10:51. Apparently it started raining, so he left. So I'm gonna go pick him up, and then we're probably just gonna come home and chill for a little bit since the house is clean because I cleaned it. So yeah.